And let me check NVIDIA's thingy. No problem. We should have audio now everywhere. Okay. All right, guys, areas are updated. Everything is good to go. Let me just fix this. All right, let's do this one more time. Good morning, everybody. Monday, February 24, 9:07 a.m. Eastern. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you guys are joining me at superareas.com. Welcome. We put all over 100% and we will trade based on support resistance or a method. And just stay disciplined, and rest of the results, we leave it to the higher power. And let's take a look at what happened Friday. And the market did tank to extreme low and below. And the number we had given actually went very close to that. So let's see what market did since 6 p.m. Sunday night till night. So we have a high 21,813. We have a low 21,676. Now we have two numbers for highs and lows. 137 point. The market went. The market moved. So base is up. Pressure is up. So we will stay in long, but I want to make sure first we test the Friday lows first. So strike price is 21,910. 1 second. So before we do anything, let's go over to Forex Factory to see if there's any calendars. News Monday 24 looks very clean. There's nothing that's happening. However, we have tomorrow, we got the high impact is really on Friday and Thursday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we have news, but low to medium impact. Nothing today. So hopefully we'll go and test Friday's lows, and then so ES, we have 6034 to 6067 is our entries. All right, value area. So we'll go with the flow. Let's see which way. So the number to watch for is, let me give you a number. So for ES, watch out for 6030. That's the number, the S2 for today. We're going to keep an eye on that very closely as to how does it work, because I wanted to make a divergence first. And for Nasdaq, we'll keep an eye at 600 to 590. That's a very key number to watch for. So S2, please keep an eye for today. If it breaks S2, we'll go into a divergence mode. So that's the numbers to watch. So S2 both for ES and Nasdaq, keep an eye on that today. That will act like a multi, because there will be a divergence start to get created. Where the divergence, watch the 240-minute chart or the 60-minute chart to be able to figure that out. But of course, green to go up, red to go down, mid-band as usual. But for those doing position trading, wait for those at least S2. And we'll short it mid-band of 240 minutes. So 22,000 is a number I'm watching for. R3. If you're doing Nasdaq, R3, which is the 22,000 number, that's the mid-band of 240 minute. So keep an eye on that number for FTMO, for everything, because it will test the mid-band of 240 minute. And ES में आपको अभी बता देता हूँ, ES का मिड बैंड 240 मिनट का 1 सेकंड जी. Let me just connect my take profit and other, because it could go and test Friday's low. So if it goes to Friday's low, that would be right now it has made a crazy cluster around extreme low. So for Nasdaq, so let me just quickly tell you the number for, still loading my areas on my system. If you refresh, your areas are done. So let me give two numbers. Sorry, machine is a bit slow to load my. Loaded here meanwhile, the charts. All right, my charts are loaded. So Nasdaq will short from 22,000, and ES we will short from which number? The number to watch for today is expected high, same. So it's very close to 6100. 6100 to 6105, because the mid band of 240 minute is sitting there. Our value area is a bit lower, but this would be a good short. It may happen today, may not. Just saying that, but that would be a good short for both FTMO and because the 240 chart is magenta, it's showing bearish. But the important question right now is, will it go and test Friday low of that? Let's see. Yeah, this was mid-band was coming from higher low. Both were higher low, so I wasn't confident. So 6024 is very important for me today. 24. That's the Friday low. Almost 118 points. Market went down on Friday. So that's where I'm keeping an eye on. And FTMO entries I can give you right now. So yeah, so it's slightly lower, but at 6024, you will have a 60-minute divergence. And that's where a big push to the upside. Let's see first if it goes towards 6116. That's your value area, right? So value area 6116 likha gaya na? 115. Oh, niche. That's fine. So it's fine. Very close to 60 minutes. So हाँ तो मैं 60 मिनट पिक 60 मिनट का कर रहा हूँ value areas. So lots of resistance to before we go ahead and do this, because the boxes are sitting at expected high. If you want to go short, you should go, but if you want to go long, make sure green midband from a higher high and then trail. So अगर ऊपर जाना है या नीचे जाना है तो हमारे सारे everything should align. Right now, there's no midband of this trade because it is bearish, but the price is not coming from a lower low. It's coming from a higher low. So that's not a good entry at all. And where would I buy FTMO? Let me give you this. All right, live stream is back up. Let me bridge his mic to make sure everybody's good. Okay, just waiting for Daniel to start his brief, so then we will see which way the market wants to go. Excuse me. I think we will say low to go high. We'll see. This testing first, it would go towards your S1. $30.20 is somewhat of a divergence, yes, at the moment. Sorry? Yeah, this midband seems, I don't see anything wrong. It should, at least if it touches there, should go towards, yeah. Because large triggers, every single thing seems okay. I don't see any issues. But area trades will give you more points. And S2, definitely. Doesn't have to stop there, but at least from what all we see from here, S2 looks very appealing. $60. We only use 60-minute value here. Yeah, it is. Yeah, in the value area section. That actually he will say when the how to read the charts. That's where he mentions the value area. So 60-minute mid band is important, upper band and lower band, and magic band, and same with 240 upper lower magic. So that's for long-term positions. So where would I go towards long position on Nasdaq on FTMO when the price reaches 21,600? That's where I am waiting for S2. So if price goes to 21,600 today, we are going long on FTMO. Just calculate the spread there. That would be a good entry and good divergence and good everything. And same thing with ES. ES expected low would make it a good entry. नहीं ES का 240 का लो देखें, expected low के अंदर गिर रहा है for long term. But that's not for day trading. Day we're gonna keep an eye on at S2 right now. The candle is opening again to the downside. The big one, 60-minute is. Let's see if it touches the value area bottom first. Yeah. Sorry? Oh yeah. I just gotta make it slightly live. Just connection. And if any of you ever get a delay between DOM price and chart price, make sure please only have one connection on. Either take profit per dia sometime when you have 3, 4, 5 multiple, and because one trade away is pushing a different price. So we have known this bug right now. It's a trade away issue where if you connect, let's say you have Legends, you have per dia, you have Tick Tick Trader, Tradeify. And
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. Namaskar. Hello, नाम लिखें सर APS ब्रार अपना पूरा नाम लिखें जी अक्षय जी good morning Sukh ji good morning ji good morning everybody quick review of our disclaimer guys all material and posting on our web service or our training floor not attended as trading advice the adjustment to enhance your trading decision but not make it for you and we take no responsibility for any profit or loss you solely responsible for all your actions. And don't think you made money yesterday, you'll make it today. Always be on your toes, always place your stops and always ready to accept those losses and do what you see. Don't do what you think and treat this market the very first day you treat. And all the areas we have on our superareas.com or on our graphs of not buy and sell offer or buy and sell areas. These are just for information and educational purposes only, and we take no responsibility for any action taken by any subscriber. Today, S&P 500, yesterday, Friday, we have a huge push, 118 point push to the downside on our S&P 500, 593, one tick less points down on Nasdaq, and big, huge push to the downside, 912 points on Dow, and Russell 2089.3, big push to the downside. So we are expecting a retracement. best is low to go up. Let price break our 24 area. So 24 to the downside, 600 for Nasdaq at 21,600 would be a good area. I would say get close to our expected low for the day. Get close to expected low to go up, because definitely we are expecting diversion to the upside. Price retrace back up, but not much a retracement back up. It doesn't even retrace. If you look at the S&P 500, not even 40% push to the upside. And same thing with all these markets. A little bit panic in the market because of tariff. And overall, we are at very close to S1 area on S&P 500, and Nasdaq also. Nasdaq very close to PP area, but above PP. Remember, our base is up and in the value area. So long term, I'm expecting somewhere close to 6,100 area. 6,100. That is our expected high. Low to go up would be a good strategy, guys. Otherwise, just go with the trend. Today, no news. A normal day. Magenta midband to go down and green midband to go up, and go with the trend, or pick areas to areas. Once you have no news, the areas will work very perfectly like today. So S&P 500, our high is 61 to 6110. Our low is 6010 to 6,060. 6000. Our Nasdaq, our expected high is 22,020 to 22,070. Our low for Nasdaq is 21,530 to 480 to the downside. Currencies are a little weird today. If you look at the currencies, British pound, read 100, almost 97% get back all the push that we had on our Friday start and evening, nighttime, the push to the upside. So all markets are down. Nasdaq, sorry, Canadian dollar is down. British pound is down. British pound just paused at our low of the value area and S1 area, and it's not going further down. But remember, our base and pressure is down. Canadian dollar, break our night session low, break the low of the value area, get out from the value area, and around R1 it's pushing down, and very strong push to the downside on Canadian dollar. And then we have euro. Euro exactly sync with the British pound, very close to our expected low for the day euro. And right now below S1 area, And then we have our crude oil. Crude oil, beautiful $3.33 push to the downside from Friday, even the swing high from Thursday. To very close to midband green and PP. Remember, today we have a multi-support, but gold one strategy. Keep just one strategy. What is that? Gold only, go long, and you will never lose money on gold. The problem is from where. I don't want to buy at high place. I'll wait for gold to drop. Whenever gold drop, just go long on the gold. And Our copper is down. Copper below PP, below value area. Test right now. Just test 100%. It hit our night session low. And same thing with silver. If gold is right now coming down, silver will go down. That's a definite back pattern for our silver. Bitcoin is dead at 96 100. Bitcoin came down $5,220 on Friday. Just one day it came down big, huge, from 100 for 100 450. You mean 100,000 and 450 came down to 95 to 30. That is $5,220 push to the downside. That's a big push on one day on our Bitcoin. And the Ethereum, same thing. Ethereum came down 245.50, I believe. Open with the gap, huge gap, our Ethereum. And remember, we'll change the contract. And natural gas, remember natural gas today, we don't trade with the Mars contract. So everybody changed contract to April, and natural gas opened with the huge gap to the downside, a big gap to the downside. And this whole week is mild week, so we'll see natural gas will stay stable or will push to the downside. And other thing about the news, guys, this whole week is very, very important. Remember, especially Friday, our inflation data is coming. So the PCE price index is coming. Friday is very important. And then our tomorrow, yes, we have Fed member speech at 4:15 a.m., the crazy time. And then house price index is coming. Then CB consumer confidence is coming. And that's also our inflation data. And Richmond manufacturing index. 11 o'clock FOMC member speech. And Wednesday, we had new home sales is coming. GDP is coming. But important is Thursday, so many news. Wednesday have news, but important is Friday. Friday we'll see a big push either to the upside or to the downside. Look like numbers will be low. This is what I predict. Number will be low and market will go up. Friday, I can tell you right now. If numbers are low, we'll see a price to the upside. Anything less than 0.3, the price will go up overall. Please, guys, take the areas. If you have any question, you can call me or you can text me. I will be here. Good morning. Good morning. G, you're welcome. You're welcome.
S1 क्रॉस कर गया जी. Restart computer. You're already running Ninja maybe. So restart. है? आपका या इंटरनेट गया है या इंटरनेट डाउन हो गया है तो keep your hotspot on please. Internet just went. The Wi-Fi. But that mid-band worked going down. Testing S1 one more time. All right, let's see which way it wants to go. It's testing S1 one more time. Nasdaq is at 700 range. So all right, we're heading very soon towards S2. That's the number we're going to watch for. S2 पहले S2 जरा देखते हैं ना क्या S2 पे रुकती है कि नहीं. That mid-band worked, give you a point almost. Anybody took a mid-band should be trailing now. Nasdaq wants to go back and test one. Yep, that mid-band, 100%. There we go. We're in S2 very soon. All right, almost into S2 for ES. टू फोर का ट्रू डाइवर्जेंस उधर बनेगी, लेकिन अभी S2 के अंदर टेस्ट हो रही है. Yep. There you go, one more time. Very close to 600 range for Nasdaq. There you go. We have our S2 for Nasdaq and ES as well. हाँ जी जी, आपका वही नंबर टेस्ट हुआ फ्राइडे का.
You're in minus because you see 968. You can already 0. So still you have to, so you can make more today. So this one will be 25. Yes, sir.
एक सेकंड. हाँ हाँ, so let's test it. Divergence बना लेने देना, वेट करें. $6024 वाले तो पैसे बना गए होंगे. अभी ट्रेलिंग मुश्किल लगेगी, पहले अगर 2-4 से निकल गए हैं तो एक्सपेक्टेड लो का वोट करें, तो प्रॉफिट लेके बाहर आए ना, 2 पॉइंट हिट एंड रन। अभी तो वो नैस्डैक कोई टाइम नहीं रख रही ऊपर।
Don't go over 450. So keep going on over 450.
No, 600, we are below everything now. जाने दें जी, S3 की तरफ जाएगा तो हम सेल वहां से बाय करेंगे ना। चला गया ऑलमोस्ट। Let's see, because Nasdaq is at the bottom range of S2. So let me open up my FTMO now. There you go, 591. Now we wait for Nasdaq to do something. Oh, the password is super areas. Still hammering down. की दिखा रहे हैं? No, any does still. All right, fell below quite a bit, 580. Any does. So expected low is our number.
6010 or 600?
एक second. 60.
correct.
There you go. I'm long and I'm good making an FTMO. Let's close this. Let's close this.
सही है बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सही ऑफिस वीकेंड इधर नीचे अभी बाद में लगा कि
नहीं यहाँ तो बात कर
Didn't touch mid-band quite. So made full divergence and went back up. Full divergence. Shooting back up. So there we go. Now goes in green.
ग्रीन इसको बाय कर सकते हो।
कितने पॉइंट की टावर? 60245994 6024 minus 5994 30 points. Now he just shot up. ले गए जी वापस। ये मिड बैंड 30 थोड़ा ओवर बॉट है आपका नैस्डैक। नहीं आई मीन नैस्डैक को देख रहा हूँ मैं कि नैस्डैक वापस चली गई तो ये मिड बैंड निकल जाएगा। ठीक है
ओवरसोल्ड से ओवरबॉट बढ़ जाएंगे। एक क्वेश्चन से डाउन साइड होगा।
क्या होगा?
कितनी लो गई थी Nasdaq? 436 went back into expected low again. Both of them are sink now. Good morning जी, क्या हाल चाल है?
ज़्यादा ऊपर ज़्यादा फॉरवर्ड करना बेटर है
Micros, guys, micro. I managed to do $1,100 just for micros, Nasdaq, and just every time I fell down, the power of micros. Start out with 2 micros, maybe if I need to average 2 more micros. So, but जब वो गिरती है expected low S2 पे वहाँ से 2 micro लेके. Market is crazy today for no news day. That's exciting. This mid band is good. Okay. If anybody's done from areas, don't trade again until we get to a certain number. Sorry? It's already done. Came and gone. They sir, any desk दें आप मुझे. Next. 246 892 993. Accept करें. So कौन सा वाला 100 आप Legends, Take Profit, Apex. Starting में recommend Legends करूँगा. Divergence लगा के ऊपर गए. ये फॉर्म भर दें. आप अपनी ईमेल चेक करें.
सर आपका क्या है? जैसे तुम आपको ऐसे मीडियम पे है ही है। और ये मैंने आपको वादा कर दिया नीचे का क्या लिखा है। और ऊपर से लिखा है तो बात अभी तो सेल्फी जा रहा है।
ईमेल में कंफर्म कर लें, आप जंक मेल में चेक करें। आनी चाहिए, ठीक है।
अभी बाय मत करना। कौन सा शेयर बनेगा?
यस, सेल इज स्टिल ऑन। ये फॉर्म भर दें, $33 का होगा। एरिया आप किसने पकड़ा? आप सारों में से कुछ एरियाज लिए हैं? S1, S2, S3, 6024 कुछ? नहीं, आपने उस वक्त 6024 लिया हुआ था ट्रेड?
नीचे गया फिर वो जो ऊपर जाता थोड़ा सा
डिफरेंट, ओके। Again, Nasdaq is testing 500 series. And just a credit card. कौन सी कंपनी? लेजेंड नहीं देगी आप? हाँ, फिर क्योंकि आपने रिफंड बहुत दफा मांगा तो वो कह रहे हैं हमने,
शुरू में
हाँ, तो दे वोंट, फिर आप ले लो वो,
अच्छा वो लोग तो ईमेल भी भेजा मुझे
हाँ,
कि ये अभी डिस्काउंट चल रही है, आप ले सकते
ट्राई करते हैं, अगर 33 का हो गया तो मुझे एनी टेस्ट है,
हैं।
ये अपना कार्ड भर दें, ये
लीजिंग का सेल चालू है अभी,
अभी सेल है $33,
हम दूसरा अकाउंट बाय कर सकते हैं।
जितने मर्जी लें, 10 ले लें, उनको इंडिपेंडेंट चलाएं, डजंट मैटर,
फिर ऐसे ये वगैरह सब
वही सही, वही ये, वही पिए, वही इस तरह।
तो आप मशवरा करते हो एपेक्स लेंगे?
नहीं, एपेक्स तो मुश्किल है आपके लिए, एपेक्स में लाइफ ट्रेलिंग थ्रेशोल्ड है, एपेक्स नहीं ले, लेजेंड्स ले हैं, पहले एक करें फिर अगला खरीदेंगे, मुझे दें नहीं,
1363
एक सेकंड, नहीं, कोई मूड नहीं है वापस जाने के इसके, एक सेकंड,
मैंने सारे भाई मैं चाहता ना कि क्या रखा
436 Nasdaq,
स्टार्ट से चालू कर दी
दोबारा 436 टेस्ट करनी है क्या? $22,000. Any desk?
1363
डेट गलत है, डेट गलत है,
ठीक है, वो जाके फिक्स कर दें।
1363 891
757, ठीक, एक्सेप्ट करेंगे।
यस कर दो।
ठीक हो गया।
एक्सेप्ट कर लें। पहले मैं एक सेट करता हूँ, फिर उसको, क्योंकि आपने अगर 2 करने हैं तो इंडिविजुअल कर सकते हैं आप, ठीक है।
4 अकाउंट लेके मैं उसको लिंक करता हूँ साथ में।
आई वुड रेकमेंड राइट अवे लिंक ना कीजिएगा, अभी एक एक करें। अभी सेल पे है $33 का। Yes, it is. मैं तो जहां से 2 माइक्रो गिरता है 2 एंटर कर देता हूँ। That's my game plan. डाइवर्जेंस फेल हो गई 30-20, मिड बैंड चल गया। चेक करें कितना चार्ज हुआ है। 33 USD हुआ है ना।
रीजन में पीए में प्राइस ट्रेल कर सकता हूँ।
हाँ जी, लेजेंड में क्या?
प्राइस आप ट्रेल कर सकते हैं।
हाँ हाँ,
थ्रेशोल्ड की बात हो रही है।
नहीं वो उसमें नहीं है, लेजेंड में लाइफ थ्रेशोल्ड नहीं है। नहीं नहीं है, 1500 का थ्रेशोल्ड है। ये एपेक्स की तरह नहीं है कि आपने 200 देखा 100 बंद किया तो 100 काटेंगे। लेजेंड में लाइफ थ्रेशोल्ड नहीं है, थ्रेशोल्ड है। तो इट्स बेटर के मीनिंग कि आपको एक्स्ट्रा नहीं चार्ज करते अगर आपने लूज किया है प्रॉफिट में से। बुलनॉक्स में लाइफ ट्रेलिंग थ्रेशोल्ड। आप अपने हॉटस्पॉट से कनेक्ट करें, यहाँ पर नहीं है। फिर अभी निंजा, फिर आप थोड़ी देर बाद कनेक्ट करें, आपका बाय हो गया, जब हम लेजेंड में लॉग इन करेंगे तो आ जाएगा।
लेजेंड में अगर 50,000 वाला भाई उसका क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
उसका 3000 का टारगेट है, तो बड़ा अकाउंट डिफरेंट टारगेट्स।
छोटे वाले 2 लेना बेटर है कि बड़ा वाला 1 लेना बेटर है?
छोटे वाले 2 बेहतर है, क्योंकि उनका थ्रेशोल्ड 1 to 1 स्टार्ट होता है। थ्रेशोल्ड मीनिंग कि 1500 लूज कर सकते हैं, 15 कमाना है ना, उसमें 3000 लूज कर सकते हैं, 2500 कमा। तो इट्स अप टू यू।
इसको लॉग आउट कर देना ऐसे,
है,
इसको लॉग आउट कर देना ऐसे।
हाँ लॉग आउट कर दे, मैं डन हो गया हूँ, मेरा अकाउंट डन हो गया। I'll be with you in about 5 minutes. Just आपको ओरिएंटेशन दे देते हैं। आपकी 4 क्लासेस हो गई ना? ठीक है। ओ मैं नहीं रुक रही, नैस्डैक नीचे की तरफ 470 ब्रेक कर दिया उसने। 436 है लेकिन
अगर ये क्लियर हो जाएगा 7 दिन के बाद,
हाँ,
तो उसके बाद जो पी आता है तो उसमें मुझे कुछ लिमिट होती है कि इतना ही बनाना है?
या 450 सेम
सेम लिमिट
सेम, वो डिसिप्लिन देखना, मास्टर भी हो सेम।
1 महीने तक?
नहीं 1500 तक।
1500 मतलब 7 दिन तक मुझे 1500 को नहीं बनानी तो तय है, राइट?
7 नहीं, उसमें कोई लिमिट नहीं है। जब आप ये पहुंचेंगे ना फिर मैं एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगा, पहले अभी आप ये कंप्लीट कर लें पहला स्टेप। एक और डाइवर्जेंस 30-20 में, माय गॉड 30-20 में स्ट्रेंथ नीचे नहीं जा रही, लेकिन अगर 3 मिड बैंड फेल हुए हैं, 7 नीचे चले भी हैं, जो चलते गए ना, तो
कनेक्शन में वो माई लीजन फंड है,
हाँ जी,
ये आया है लेकिन फंड दिखा नहीं।
अभी थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा।
तो इसमें हम क्या वो नहीं कर सकते, मिनी मिनी
मिनी करें, माइक्रो करें, जो मर्जी, नो प्रॉब्लम।
माइक्रो बहुत जल्दी चल जाता है।
फिर आप माइक्रो में है, मिनी में ना।
Thank you.
नो तो इसकी फोटो ले लें, ये आपका यूजर नेम पासवर्ड है लेजेंड्स का। सर एरिया एक्सट्रीम लो है अगला एरिया, वरना ट्रेंड के साथ एरिया खत्म हो गया तो एक्सट्रीम लो। ये एक और डाइवर्जेंस है, ये ट्रू वाली है क्योंकि पिछली वाली गैप ट्रेड वाली डाइवर्जेंस थी. लेट्स सी. हो गया जी आपका सेट, दोनों अकाउंट शो अप हो गए. ये देखें 1 और 2. ठीक है, अब मैं आपको उसका टारगेट बता देता हूँ. आपके पास 30 दिन, 1500 बनाने, 1500 लूज नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है, 450 से ज्यादा नहीं बनाना और 4:30 बजे ट्रेड बंद कर देना. जो तो मैं अभी आपको ये दिखा देता हूँ. और हैं सॉरी नहीं जितने मर्जी करें, लेकिन बहुत एक्सेसिव ना कर लीजिएगा. तो ये वेबसाइट हमेशा खोल के रखिएगा, ये ट्रेडोवेट वाली. ये आपकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड है. इन केस ट्रेड खराब होता है तो आप ट्रेडोवेट को प्लीज हर वक्त ऑन करके रखिए. मैं इसको बुक मार्क कर देता हूँ आपके. So anytime, let's see if it should, I think rally for the bottom should finish anytime now. The first reversal should start by anywhere from 10:45 to 11:15. ये सर न्यूज फोल्डर में इसको बुक मार्क कर दिया मैंने. तो ये लिखा है ना 25,000. दिस शुड गो टू 26,500 एंड दिस कैन नॉट गो टू 0. Can't believe second divergence on ES 3020 did not respect. Okay, all done. मैं लॉग आउट कर गया. So what's the lowest it went? 436. So I'm holding my FTMO from 530.
चलो आपका सिंपल
Okay. Okay, what's the update here? Three.
की डाइवर्जेंस इस बार कितनी मतलब फेल होती है?
Rarely. I think I'm seeing it for second time in a year. Second time. So which one is causing the trouble? Meta is the one big, Tesla and Meta is causing all this headache. Tesla is down $10 and Meta is down $20. And Nvidia is down $3. Amazon is down $4. So that's those 6-7 companies are causing this nonsense. हाँ एरिया में जरा थोड़ा सा आपके चांसेस ज्यादा थोड़े कम हो जाते हैं एरिया वाले
हमने ये एक्सट्रीम लो का एरिया से लिया भी ट्रेड करें
इस वक्त ना मार्केट इतनी ज्यादा वो नीचे गिर चुकी है कि शॉर्ट वाले मिड बैंड अभी और कितना के नीचे इसने जाना है, 8 तो चल चुकी है मिड बैंड आपके सुबह से। ऑलराइट, सो एक्सट्रीम लो से आपने बाई की? एक्सट्रीम लो तो गया नहीं।
हाँ गया था।
नहीं
अभी
अभी एक्सपेक्टेड लो पे खड़ा है।
हाँ एक्सपेक्टेड लो से लिया।
हाँ, तो कौन से नंबर से लिया?
हमने लिया था 6000।
ओके, थोड़ा नो प्रॉब्लम, हो चुका था पहले वो नंबर, लेकिन ये नंबर ऑलरेडी हाफ एन आवर हो चुका था पहले।
सिम में लिया ना।
ओके, ठीक है, मैं सिर्फ बता रहा हूँ ये नंबर अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 10:30 पे हो गया था, एक्सपेक्टेड लो का एरिया।
चांस है नीचे जाने का।
नहीं, अभी एक्सपेक्टेड लो से बाउंस हो रहा ही है।
अभी ऐसे जो पावर हमारा इंटरनेट उसमें भी हम कम इसको स्टॉप कर सकते
हैं। ट्रेडो वेट खोल के रखें। ऑलराइट, let me give you the नहीं, आपको सेट नहीं करना, कुछ जाए मैं आपके करवा देता हूँ। आपका अकाउंट पहली दफा ही होना था, वो हो चुका है। आप सिर्फ जाके ना लेजेंड में लॉगिन करें, प्लान्स पे क्लिक करें, जहाँ 165 है वहाँ क्लिक करें। सॉरी, मैंने सिर्फ कैमरा इसको सही किया। आज कौन खेल रहा है जी? कल विराट कोहली की 100 खेलने का मजा है देखने, उसने आखिरी बॉल पे भी। ओ तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया दी। ओ नहीं, मंडे नहीं आऊंगा। सुपर एरिया 70 ਜਦੋਂ ਆਸਟ੍ਰੇਲੀਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀ ਮੈਲਬੌਰਨ ਵਿੱਚ, ਰਾਈਟ?
सुपर एरिया
हाँ, एक सेकंड।
हाँ बाद में क्या करना मैंने क्या चीज क्या लेनी है तो पीछे करो तो उसमें ऑप्शन दी होगी ना कितने तो पीछे करो
मुझे 4 बाय करना था, एक करके यही प्रोसेस, एक बाय करें फिर लॉग इन करें फिर उधर जाए, एक करके बाय। Completely wrong. Sorry. नहीं बैठे बैठे अब डाइवर्जेंस लगा के होपफुली वो कह रहे थे फ्राइडे तक इट शुड गो बैक अप 61 ओके let me turn this on तो इन सारों की डेडलाइन आज स्टार्ट हो जाएगी मीनिंग के तो आज आपने पुराने वाले कितने कर दिए 300 और किए तो टोटल क्या हो गया ट्रेडोवेट में 1831 no the balance 26,000 so you have $500 to finish your exam
3 days, 3 more days.
no you can do 10 days like minimum 7
Yeah, minimum.
Minimum.
On the day, 7th day, I have to make it 1500.
no you can take 20 days just before
I can
the
make it
earliest you can do is 7th day
So if I make it on the 7th day,
so 8th day you will get a request to pass
no, my question is 1500. I can make on 7th day, or do I have to wait one more day?
one more day
One more day. So 8th day.
7th day night is your last day of trading so let's say today is 7th day right
Yeah.
and you're remaining $50
Okay.
yeah no problem
So the 8th day, I will make more than.
correct okay hello sir okay All right, I'm ready for you 100%. एक सेकंड ओवरबॉट तो नहीं है इस वक्त तो 30-20 का मिड में yeah 30-20
With 1 day.
I wish every day market moved like last 3 days. We have a chance to go expect incredible. Because with 1 or 2 micro, if it goes in your directions, you're good. If it goes to your against you, you average, and then maximum 5 micros, and you know your stop loss. And okay. All right, so welcome to your day 1 orientation. Congratulations on finishing the first 4 classes. Welcome to superareas.com. My name is Rafi, and that's my WhatsApp number, 647-228-0694. My job here is to teach you and lead you Monday to Friday into this trading floor. So Daniel, Saturday and Sunday will teach you theories, the classes. My job is to teach you how the market is working, what is happening, what is buy, sell, stop loss, like the practical knowledge of it, right? So superareas.com, a bit about us is the way floor works is from 9 to 11, 9:30 to 11, really there's no coaching. After 11, I can teach you like things like that. From 11 to 1, 11 to 2, that's where I come in and kind of coach you. So 9 to 11, I'm truly doing the commentary. Like this morning we came in, we had a number in mind. What happened on Friday was 6024, and we were waiting for the price to go below that before we start doing anything. And Nasdaq had a number. So a number is, so from 9:30 to 11, really that's happening because there's live trading, live money, all the analysis are live. So that's why I start my presentation 10:30 to 11, depending on how fast I finish. So a little bit about us. It's a software in front of you that is it's not a course. We don't just give you a course. People online are selling course and then you kind of have to go on your own. No. The way we have it, we have a software that works with in front of you. It's ready to go. All you have to do is just figure out 4 or 5 things. Where to buy, where to sell, where the entry is, where the stop loss is. It's very easy. Bit about ourselves. We've been here since 2008 officially. We have 15 employees. We have 2 trading floors. There's one right here. There's one at 1575 Trinity Drive in about 5 kilometers from here. We're a Canadian-based company. We have 12,000 members, graduates of this program worldwide in last 18 years or so. Ninja Trader 8.1 is what you're using. You have any experience of trading before? Okay, no problem. So no problem. It's okay. We'll get you going. So the software that you use, that we use to teach you is called Ninja Trader, right? We have 4 data analysts full-time that analyze the markets, the data. Like I came in this morning and I asked Daniel, what's the plan for today? I'm the junior one. He's the senior one. Then there's 2 more. And he says, we're going to buy, let's wait for expected low. And what's the plan? So I said, hey, there's a divergence. So we will analyze before we start giving out. So what was the first thing when I sat down? It was like, we are going to look at a 60-minute. There's a divergence, maybe 240. Then when the price goes, so we have full-time, I would staff that takes care of the market situation. Of course, there's no software that's 100%, right? There's still, you can still hit stop losses and all of that. That's not but we have the highest accuracy of where we do predictions for the last 18 years. We do 15 markets. However, the market that you will be starting is ES. That's the S&P 500 index. New student takes about 3 months. So give yourself at least 3 months of understanding buying, selling, stop loss, entry, S&P, CPI, PPI, entry, all these things will, by the time 3 months are, you will know what is, when I'm saying expected low, when I'm saying a divergence, when I'm saying something, you can make sense. So somebody's today we had 2 divergence failed on 30-20, rarely, but first one I wasn't surprised, that's a gap trade, but the second one failing. So once you start to understand what I'm saying, it will make all the sense. So what am I saying? For example, a typical day would start like this. Let's look at the base and range for the day. If the base is up, pressure is down, but then I listen to the clues what Daniel tells me in the morning. In the brief, today he said, let's wait for the price to go low first and then we'll start buying. And low, we had a number in mind for Nasdaq. It was below 650 because that was a number. And for ES, it was below the 24 number, right? So what's the number right now? It's almost at 15, getting there. So in 3 months, this will start to make sense, right? So my first job for today is to teach you some of the very basic things about this. So if you go to a gathering, a party, anywhere, and you're trying to tell them, hey, I'm into trading, and they're going to say, all right, what do you trade, right? So you're primarily doing, for your own knowledge, you're a day trader. This software works for everything. It works for stocks, it works for options, it works for crypto, it works for indices, it works for Canadian market, US market, German market, it works for everything. However, the day trader, the definition of it, we're gonna trade daily. $100, $200, $300, $500, and eventually I'll get you to a point where you're holding a trade in about 6 months for at least a week. Like right now, I'm in a trade in a Nasdaq, an FTMO. I'll be holding that trade maybe 3-4 days. So you will eventually exit out of day trading and go into stocks and options. Yeah. But I have to teach you the software first as a day trader. You're learning to trade futures today. So the first few months, you're going to be focusing on futures. So the way futures, because this is a big universe, this software is very complex, works with everything. So we are focused on teaching you futures first. So once you learn how to do futures, everything else is pretty easy. So the software, the third thing I would like to write for you is the software we use is called NinjaTrader 8.1. Give me 1 second. Because why am I writing some of these things down? If you go sit down with them, say, hey, I'm into trading, they're going to ask you, what do you trade? So I do day trading. Then they ask you, hey, what kind of markets do you trade? So you say, I trade futures market. NinjaTrader 8.1 is your platform. So the software that you open up every day is called NinjaTrader 8.1. That's the software. Number 4, what type of markets do you trade? So in futures, the focus would be S&P 500, which is the ES futures. That's where the primary thing you'll be buying, selling, everything. Some users can say, hey, what kind of algorithm do you use to analyze so the word is called algorithm. Algorithm means bunch of computer instructions trying to give you the best price. Algorithm is used everywhere: TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, your computer, your phone. Algorithm just means it looks at certain data sets, certain data points, and it's trying to give you the best entry. Now, what does this software do? So the software that you're using, the algorithm, is called super areas. And the last thing is we will get you into a funded program. What is a funded program? As you see, some guys in front of you were signing up because they're maybe 2 weeks into this program or 3 weeks. A funded program means you are not risking your own money. Please. Until you guys are comfortable, we will never ever ask you to please risk your own money into this, because the whole idea is for you to understand first how stop loss works, how areas works, how divergence works. So at least for first 6 months, we're not going to invest our own money. So you're a day trader. You'll be trading futures. You are trading Ninja 8.1, and the algorithm you're going to use is called super areas, and you'll be using funded account. So this is really the 5 things you should really work on, knowing that, hey, this is where I am excelling in my program. Now, trading, I'll spend about 5 minutes explaining. Trading is nothing to do with software, nothing to do with indicators, nothing to do with technical analysis, fundamental analysis. It has everything to do with discipline. And it has discipline in profit or discipline. I've been trading 20 years, and the day I decide I become a bit arrogant, a bit cocky, that's the day I will lose. So, hey, I think, so the day I will decide, rather than us telling, where the computer is telling me this is the number to buy and sell, if I decide to use my own brain that I think price is going down and I forget the software, that's just and the day I don't put a stop loss. So these are, meaning stop loss mean if you're predicting price is going to go up, but if it goes down, if it goes against you, in the 4 classes you have learned, if the color changes, exit the trade. Most people will hold that trade for long, 100 minus, 200 minus, 300 minus, and then eventually account goes. You don't lose money so much in this futures because of the funded program. You lose time. And eventually what will happen is, if you don't take this business seriously, you will give up. You're going to say, I tried, it didn't work for me, not knowing when to put a stop loss, not knowing how to use it. But then you're going to say, it's not working out for me, because, and 99.9 user percent, if you bring me any user of last 18 years, I can sit down and they can say, hey, I don't have a habit of putting a stop loss in. That's a problem. I can't control my hand and I'm over trading. That's a problem, right? If I tell you certain things, so today, when I sat down, the first thing I said, wait for 24. Wait for 24. It doesn't matter where the price is. So we are giving certain instructions for you for a reason. And after 24, the number was slightly lower to get to, I think, was 24 over below the S2 range, yes. So until you're comfortable, just follow. That's the best part. Now I'll open up the software and I'll teach you some very basic things. What I want you to do is, please go home, log into superareas.com, and there are a couple of videos I want you to see. Especially this one. If I log into superareas.com, you see right here, it says click here to access software training videos. We never write course training. It's not a course. It's a comprehensive piece of software that you have to learn. The lectures that you have taken are already recorded there. There's a special video for 2 hours, tells you about areas, value areas, pivots, pressure, golden ratios, everything. If you want to watch, it's a good video. But the video I want you to really see is called the How to Begin Ninja Trader 8.1. How to log in, how to click simulation, how to watch what the window is. So this video explains you in a very fine detail on how to get started. So once you open your Ninja, and click on simulation, let me explain you the DOM here. This is what you're watching generally. So let me give you very, very quick basics. This is called depth of market, DOM. This is a price ladder, right? So, sir, ये वाली लाइट थोड़ी सी डिम करेंगे, थोड़ी सी ऑनलाइन थोड़ी ज़्यादा हो गई। I mean, उसको नीचे नहीं उसको डिमर है साइड पे, साइड पे डिमर। Yeah, it's good. It's good. All right. So computer is going to be telling you something live. So this is an algorithm. An algorithm is a bunch of instructions for you. And computer says, hey, if I want to buy, where should I buy? If I want to sell, where should I sell? So the best part is you just sit down and look at, by the way, that video will explain, this is written 1510. This is written 3020. When I say certain things, I will refer to the chart. So I will say, hey, look at 60 minute, look at 240 minute, look at in terms of 1440, look at 1510, look at 3020, look at this midband. Just this midband alone, if you had a couple of stop loss in the back, this midband alone gave you everything that you asked for. The best part about futures trading is we don't care if the price goes up or down. Okay, we only care if our direction is correct. So you can say price is going to go down, and if the price does in fact go down in next 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you will make ridiculous amount of money. And if you make the prediction correct, that's all you have to do. So you just have to make sure you enter your prediction properly. And that's where the algorithm comes in. This is the highest probability algorithm that you are going to get. So profit, sorry, bullish is written. Bullish is written. Buy. Bearish is written, sell. That's it. There is no rest of the mathematical calculations. We're going to do it for you. We have the engineers, the analysts. We write this code behind it. So what is this telling you? Computer says, if you want to buy at 6026. This is the best price for you to buy. But don't sell. Because it's green. Because it's green. This is the price that it wants you to buy. Sorry, I'm going to trade myself along with my FTMO because I entered from 5:30. 5:30 center ho gaya tha main. So let's. All right. So let me give you even more basic about it. Forget about looking at a chart, just to understand the fundamentals. This yellow is the price, 6031 right now. If it goes up to 6032, that's a $1 difference, right? And if you buy at 6031, remember, you have to exit that trade in the opposite side. So whenever you start a trade, you either have to buy or sell. So Daniel's lectures, the first one is, if the color is green, buy to open, sell to close, right? So what am I saying is, let's say I want to buy it. So I want to buy at 31. So I place, there you go. I have bought something. Now, if the price is what I bought it at 31.75, 30.75. If the price goes up from here, I will make money. If the price goes down, look, I already made $62, $75. So people ask me wherever I click, it goes in my favor. It has nothing to do with it. I'm buying. Why? Things is coming from expected low. Crazy. I have to buy. I'm not selling. Right? So sorry, guys, along with that. So look, $112. Now I have to exit. I have to, either I can hit the close button. I don't recommend a close, but I'll exit with a sell limit. So now wherever you decide to enter, if you enter in a buy side always, you will exit in the sell side, either in profit or loss. If the price drops, you will lose money. If the price goes up, you will make money. There you go. I made like $100 right there. That's how easy that was. I went in, took a trade, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, and I'm done. Incredible. So that's all you have to do, buy or sell. If you open your trade in sell side, you have to exit in a buy side. That's honestly, that's about it. Any questions while I think straightforward, but please do watch that video of the Ninja Trader 8, because more than trading on the DOM here, I want you to trade with the chart trader. So by the way, our charts are slightly different than candle charts. We do primarily price action charts. Yes, if you want to do, just like I'm doing FTMO and I'm doing time-based, but you will get there eventually. I had given the number that I'm entering at 22,530 is where I entered. And what price is it right now? Yeah, I'm very close to my TP hit. I'm in Q604, and that's good. That's good. So I may not hold my position for too long. So green to buy, red to sell. Don't go against the trade until we have some numbers where it will go and will make sense. Because there are some numbers, and we'll do a counter trade called areas, right? We can do that, no problem. Give me 1 second, almost done. 625, I want to exit. Almost a 40 points आ गए, ले आए सारी मार्केट वापस ले आए, लेकिन सबसे लो कितना गया? 5994, राइट? ओके, 6024 से भी 30 पॉइंट नीचे. बॉक्सेस आ गए सी. हाँ नहीं वो मैजिक बैंड सी मैजिक वो S3 ते खड़े होणगे या एक्सपेक्टेड लो दे थले. Okay. So, okay. The way these charts work is, let me give this direction. Other day I wrote it on. Is you have to understand. Let's put a price. Let's do a 5990. I'm going to write a price, and I will write 6100. That's almost a. Let's do even a 6,000. That's 100-point price difference, right? So the way I would do this is, you have the smallest chart on your computer is called a 1510 chart. Okay, that's the smaller chart. Another chart in your software that we have installed for you is called the 3020 chart. Now, these two charts are price action charts. Price action. Okay. What does price action mean? Price moves from a point to point. It has nothing to do with time. So these two charts are not time based. Whenever there's a volume, whenever there's action, it will move up or down. But these two charts are price action charts. So we work with a combination of price action charts and time charts. The next chart you will see is called a 30-minute. It's in the bottom hidden. Next chart you will see is called a 60-minute. Next chart after that you will see is called the 240-minute. And then next chart, the biggest mother of all, 1440 minute. Okay. No, they're just at the bottom. If you click on N, just hover over N, all the charts are there. Now, these four charts are time-based charts, meaning if the price goes, so each one 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 240, 1440, it's time-based. So one candle is 30 minutes long. Here, one candle is 60 minutes long. One candle is 4 hours long. And one candle is 1 day long. So these four, especially these three charts, we look for position or support and resistance. So these three charts, we focus on looking at a position trading. Like for example, I do position trading. I don't want to exit a trade tonight at 5 o'clock. I will hold the trade for a long time. So then I will analyze using these three charts. But if I'm doing a day trading in and out, $100, $50, $100, $200, I will focus my trades on here. So, but this is your trade entry chart. So you will take your trade using 1510 chart. All you have to do is one thing. I will give you the fastest rundown, fastest. Number one. Let's say I want to go long. Long means I want to go buy. Buy means I want to make sure price is green, right? All I have to see is my 1510 green. Yes. Is my 3020 green? Yes. Where am I buying from? So check your news first to make sure your news is not there. And from mid-band, you will do a buy. So the computer is giving you a price, just put a buy limit there. So this is where you will buy. There are additional, but as a beginner, I won't get you involved in looking for divergence, looking for it will get confusing for you. Stick to this. 1510 is green, 3020 is green, mid-band is, and also the fourth condition I have to write for you. Price must come from higher high. Meaning, if you see on your chart, you will see a pullback from a higher high. You see, so if this is your mid-band, price must be coming from a higher high, and then you will do a green buy. And if it's coming same thing from a lower low, you will do a sell order. So in the sell side, 1510 is red, 3020 is red, mid-band I will sell, and then price has to come from a lower low. Yes?
I think the mid-band has to come from which chart, the 3020 or
the 1510. So you take, but I just have to make sure that if these are valid, like if the price is on a 3020 is coming from a 30 higher high, you have more chances of that mid-band passing or failing. So that is all you have to do. Green to buy, red to sell, and you'll be fine. So tonight, your homework is go and watch that video. You have to enter on the chart trader. Where is my price to enter? Where do I buy? Where do I sell? Where do I buy? Now, here's today's analysis. What happened? I always say on the radio, when were we done today? Let's see on 3020 today. The chart, this is 3020. And this is 1510. Let me analyze how many mid-bands worked along the way. because I would like to, because our theory is 70%, right? If you took 10 mid bands, 7 of them must work. Right? अच्छा अच्छा ये कैसे अपडेट हो गया हाँ अच्छा नो प्रॉब्लम मैं एनी डेस्क करके सारे लॉगिन कर दूं ऐसे टाइम पे आप सुपर एरिया से बात कर सकते हैं ना वो फौरन एनी डेस्क करेंगे सारे कनेक्शन ऑन कर देंगे 24/7 बैठे हुए वो all right one mid band if you follow the theory you would skip this one but you would take this one price is coming from higher high right so let's look at from 9:30 one mid band here, one mid band here. You were done at 9:46 today. You're $300, $200, $500. You were done at 9:46. Exactly these two mid bands going down, you were done at 9:46. So if the market opened at 9:35, even if you took this first mid band and hit your stop loss, right? You took a stop loss here and two mid bands at 9:46. Recover this stop loss plus more. So today these two mid bands right here. So let's look at the time. Market was going down, right? You took this mid band, it hit a stop loss because colors change, right? And then you said, all right, I color change. But you took a mid band right here. This is even 5 or 2 points. This recovered this loss. And right here, you went down crazy in a single trade. So if it's red, sell. If it's green, buy. That's it. So today's mid band so far. So if I'm just watching at 15:10, I'll double check the time. At 9:31, was this red? 30:20. And I am profitable. I'm done my FTMO trade. Sorry. Close. Done. सर 30 लॉट 30 लॉट मैंने नंबर बोल के मैंने कहा था 530 पे जाने लगा हूं 30 लॉट डाल दिए अब 100 पॉइंट है ना $3,000 है $3,000 का ट्रेड है लगा है और उधर दूसरी साइड पे तो मैं जिधर 2 माइक्रो डालता था ना वो करते करते 1300 कर दिया मैं यही कहता हूँ ये मार्केट एवरीडे नहीं आती कि एक्सट्रीम लो पे चली जाए बैक टू बैक लेकिन आज तो मॉर्निंग में अनाउंस हो गया था कि इसने 624 को टेस्ट करना है और वहां से लेना है हमने उसके नीचे से ऊपर से नहीं पहले now let's look at another mid band is coming let's see if 3020 is overbought कि नहीं 6032 पे मिड बैंड है एक सेकेंड अभी 3020 का अभी मिड बैंड टेस्ट हो रहा है क्योंकि ना 30-20 में समवट डाइवर्शन नहीं मैं आपको बता रहा हूं कि सुबह से देखें अगर 930 वाला देखें मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है मैंने ये टेस्ट किया था 930 वाला मिड बैंड फेल हुआ ठीक है 938 वाला चल गया उसने आपका पिछला सारे का सारा लॉस रिकवर किया और एक्स्ट्रा प्रॉफिट दिया उसके बाद जो मिड बैंड 946 पे आया सर उसने आपको 27 पॉइंट में से आप 10 ले लेते यार लाइक रियली 946 पे एवरीबॉडी वाज डन 1 2 and going up 4 yes
say, let's see if it's overbought, what indicator are you?
I'm looking at RSI on 3020 to see if it's overbought.
And the indicator should be at 0.
No, it means if it's at fully overbought, then 3020 का midband 100% काम आ गया जी. So because what happens is sometime 1510 has hit in the guardrail. So I'm just checking. Then I would go and switch over to a 3020 midband in order to do that. I hope somebody took an FTMO today with me.
चेंज लैपटॉप
हाँ
मुझे उसका अभी सेटअप करके दिया
ठीक है
वो जो हमारा लीजेंड वाला है ना, वो आपसे जरा वो
ठीक है एनी डस्ट है मुझे so,
कनेक्ट है
मुझे अभी 1 मिनट में लेता हूँ. If anybody wants to short 22,000. 22,000. Nasdaq. ES, let me give you guys the number. ES, I would take R1. First, it has to test R S1, but R1 for Nasdaq and ES. Deji number
1084
1084
166049.
Okay, accept करेंगे. $70. Ninja खोलें please. हाँ लाइट विषय ऑन कर दें. I think we're done the. Fourth.
सिमुलेशन में लेना
हाँ जी.
कंटिन्यू सिमुलेशन
Yes, simulation. सर वो लॉगिन कर रहे हैं आपके अकाउंट में? ठीक है ठीक. नहीं ट्रेडोवेट की वेबसाइट पे मैंने आपको बुकमार्क किया हुआ है, उसमें लॉगिन करें. हाँ बुकमार्क है, लॉगिन करें लेजेंड्स के ट्रेडोवेट से.
बुकमार्क किया मैंने क्रोम में.
देखिए ना न्यूज़ का फोल्डर कहाँ आपका? ये न्यूज़ का फोल्डर है. ये देखें ट्रेडोवेट आपका सेट नहीं किया हुआ है. दोबारा करते हैं. ये लगाना हुआ ना ट्रेड, इसको बुकमार्क कर देते हैं. ये आपका ये आपका ट्रेडोवेट का आपका पूरा अकाउंट 25,000 वाला 1500. तो ये खुला.
कभी अगर स्टॉक हो गया तो इसको क्या करना है?
तो इसको खोल के यहाँ पर राइट क्लिक करके अकाउंट पे कुछ करना है.
ये इस अकाउंट में, right?
Correct.
Exit all position.
Okay.
सब सारा निकल जाएगा. So you can see the message.
ये, अभी आप कॉपियर ना लगाइएगा, इंडिविजुअल लेके चले, ठीक बना देते हैं. हाँ हाँ, लेकिन 1500 से नीचे नहीं जाना चाहिए. क्या है कॉपियर का फायदा उस वक्त होता है जब आप एक्सपीरियंस आ जाए. इफ यू डोंट हैव एक्सपीरियंस, लाइन आ जाती है ना.
ऊपर आ जाती है.
हाँ, वाइट लाइन वो डाइवर्जेंस है.
लॉगिन करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ जी.
Which video do you have that teaches you to just place the trades, like the super areas that you do?
Daniel's area. Daniel's where it says super areas. And why am I saying 22,000? It's the mid band of 240 chart.
So we can check when this will be expanding.
Yeah, I can tell. If you go to plans, so it will renew on 10th February.
Oh. 10?
March.
So 10th March. Okay.
So you see 10th March, yeah.
year high, you're looking at that on the 1510.
1510, correct. If it is same on 3020, it's better because then the same. Okay, so your account is set up. So because of the hotspot, if you connect, it will come in. It will connect here. So your trade of it is okay. Everything is fine. You still have $1,100 in your account. Yep. No problem. Okay, done. So which area it's going again? Take care. To 60-minute, there is a huge divergence. 60-minute chart on ES, there is a divergence. And 652 to 436. 652 to 436. 200 point divergence. $833 to 97. 43 point divergence. You can go to the Trinity office. Murtaz can help you. Yes, too. Take care, Ji. Yes, too.
Simulation is expired.
Yeah.
Can you please do it?
Okay, another simulation account? Okay, go on ninjatrader.com and sign up with a new email. New mail, any Gmail or Yahoo or Google on ninjatrader.com so your SIM can work. Sorry? Hotspots. क्योंकि यहाँ पर वाईफाई में इतने ज़्यादा लोग ट्रेडोवेट में गए हैं कि वो नज़र ही नहीं आ रहा. तो हॉटस्पॉट फ़ोन पे ऑन करके फिर अपना निंजा वाईफाई उससे कनेक्ट करें. किसी का भी आपका करवाना है? अच्छा, दे एनी डेस्क. और सर हो गया जी. नंबर 712 मैं आपका करवाता. There's no consistency rule in FTMO. Congratulations if you made 4 credits. That's no consistency rule. I made 4,800 depending. So go. Are you there with the new sign up?
No, I'm just doing the.
Okay, that's fine. So, so you have an account already or no?
No.
Okay, so get started.
Engage your brain, do something constructive and creative.
Congratulations, you're 1K away from passing the phase one. Good. Yeah, areas work fine, man. Today was expected low was the call for the day, and should be making money hand over fist. हॉटस्पॉट करें मैं भी आ
In this industry.
मैं देखता हूँ या ईमेल करें और उस पर कंफर्म करें If you're holding a buy, do a trail, please. नहीं जिन लोगों ने FTMO में खरीदा हुआ नीचे से 530 से वो कुछ तो लेना
What is DT?
double top or double bottom for the DB.
So a double top is.
No. That means previous peak and this peak number is the same. It doesn't have to mean bullish. It is still will be bullish, but generally double top is a divergence. Generally. So maybe out of $4,000 profit, you lock 3.5 or 3, and then hold it because it has to get inside. Because of the divergence, the number it will go climb up to as at least 22,000 for Nasdaq futures minus 80. So May not be today, but I'm holding. All right.
Yeah, I opened the
Yeah, that's fine. Now you go into Ninja Trader and log in with that, with the new account.
I did log in
Yeah.
with that, but I didn't see it here.
Go to simulation, connection,
Connection.
simulation. Yeah, you did already. Okay. Close Ninja. I want you to close Ninja. No, not Ninja Trader software, not this. Today's difference 60. Yeah, close enough, I think. Now should be an upstream battle. वो उसको टेस्ट कर रही है रेजिस्टेंस मैं सर आ रहा हूँ या फॉर्म भर देना अब ये नहीं वाला या
खोला था नहीं खोला था हाँ क्यों सब राफ्टर कितनी बार बोलते हैं ट्रेड बिट खोल के रखो ट्रेड बिट की लॉगिन इंफॉर्मेशन है
So, let me know like when is the offer for the live accounts. I'll open one.
यही है
Legends?
Yeah.
Yes, right now. It's $33.
Can I open that?
Sure, give me any desk and it's not live, it's still practice account.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. It's
you need $1,000
$1,717 961 915
Sorry,
717
717
961
961
915.
लेजेंड में क्या है लेजेंड में
लेजेंड में
ग्रेट आपका टारगेट बढ़ गया It's- नहीं पर थ्रेशोल्ड ना खराब हो ना इनका ठीक है नहीं अगर 1500 तो ऐ ना हो कि 1000 पहले ही थल्लों आ रहे हो ना ऐ नहीं पता ये अब आपका टारगेट 3000 हो गया $3300 नहीं जो भी होया इट्स ओके गुड थिंग भी हो जाती एक्सेप्ट कर ले
सर इनका कनेक्ट नहीं होता
सर हॉटस्पॉट से करें सारा कुछ इस वक्त
इसको रिस्टार्ट करोगे
एक सेकंड
हर बार ट्रेड बिट खोल के रखो बस ट्रेड बिट नहीं खोलोगे यू हैव मेजर इशू
So it's going
ऑनलाइन ठीक है
We have to create the name.
No. Just log in. कार्ड यस नंबर दें 1905 एक्सेप्ट करें आपने कैंसिल कर दिया
मेरे को पता नहीं क्या हुआ।
नहीं आपने कैंसिल कर दिया आपने जाके क्लिक किया है कैंसिल तो कैंसिल लिखा हुआ है पेंडिंग कैंसिलेशन आ रहा है हाँ जी अच्छा नहीं मैं शायद रॉन्ग अकाउंट पे हूँ एक सेकंड ओके ओके हाँ जी करें जी और ये सारे बॉक्सेस को एग्री करें एक सेकंड अभी मैं देखता हूँ 33 हाँ नहीं पूरा नाम लिखें जिस तरह पे लिखा हुआ है हाँ नहीं हो गया जी आपका डन है ये एक्चुअल है नहीं आप हॉटस्पॉट से क्लिक करें आपका वाईफाई से नहीं कनेक्ट हो रहा यहाँ पर अपना नहीं हुआ पड़ा हुआ है $1200 पड़ा हुआ है लिक्विडेट तो नहीं हुआ क्योंकि मैं हॉटस्पॉट से नहीं हो रहा 50 लोग लॉग इन कर रहे हैं ना तो हाँ 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 वो ठीक है नो प्रॉब्लम
जब तक क्लिक नहीं करोगे तब तक वो आता नहीं
करेक्ट
चाहे वो 1500 हो जाए 2000 मैं
नहीं अभी देखिए क्वेश्चन ये 1200 पड़ा है ना आपका अकाउंट नेगेटिव 1200 तक जा सकता है ये इस वक्त वो कह रहा है आपके 1200 पड़े
नेगेटिव 1200 तब ना जब मैं सेल और बाय का
हाँ
बंद करूं
एग्जैक्टली
अगर बंद नहीं होता
तो वो फिर 1200 के अंदर तक फ्लोटिंग रहता है
अच्छा बट 1200 से नीचे
नहीं जा सकता जितना ये अमाउंट है
फ्लोटिंग में भी नहीं
फ्लोटे में नहीं जा सकता क्योंकि वो आपके पास अकाउंट बैलेंस है ना बस दैट्स इट
और ये जो 25,000 है उसमें अगर नीचे चला जाता है उसका कुछ है
नहीं उसका कोई ताल्लुक नहीं है इसका ताल्लुक है ही नहीं या क्लिक सिमुलेशन
तो फिर मैं उससे
हाँ ठीक है मैं बिल्कुल देखता सर 2 मिनट दो बस यस सर अभी तक मैं आ रहा हूँ सर आपकी तरफ भी आ रहा हूँ
If you have a registered account and you leave a position, at 4 o'clock it will automatically
It will cancel your account.
it'll cancel it.
Yes.
So it just matters just close
4:30 you gotta 4:30 you must have all positions closed.
I thought they just closed the position.
No, they closed the account. That's the one company that is very strict.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. ਸਰ ਉਹ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਾ ਉਹ ਪਾਓ ਨਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਇਸ ਨਾਈਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਾਓ ਨਾ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਆਲਰਾਈਟ ਹੁਣ ਕੰਟੀਨਿਊ ਕਰੋ Now you don't connect to simulation anymore because it will show you just
But I can use both, right?
yeah, same or this. There you go. The trade of it will work in about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, but you're all done. भाईजान मुझे एनी डेस्क भेजिएगा व्हाट्सएप कीजिएगा मैं कॉपी पेस्ट कर लूँ
करना क्या नहीं करना
But keep trade of it open whenever you guys are trading, please. एक सेकंड जी 33569 ठीक है जी एक्सेप्ट करें जी सर यदि फोटो ले लो हैं नहीं हो रहा हॉटस्पॉट ठीक है मैं अभी ट्राई करता हूँ क्योंकि अगर इसका मतलब है फिर ट्रेडो वेट में मसला आ रहा है ट्रेडो वेट पे नजर आ रहा है ठीक है वहां पर तो चल रहा है ना मैंने अकाउंट नजर है अभी थोड़ी देर में निंजा पे आ जाएगा नो प्रॉब्लम लेकिन ट्रेडो वेट पे आपने $1000 बनाया है वहां नजर आ रहा है ओके 25,000 वाला अकाउंट था नहीं कंग्रेचुलेशन बट थोड़ा टारगेट बढ़ गया डबल हो गया
ये तो सर ये लेगन्स राइट
हाँ
लेगन्स
लूज कर सकते हैं आज अच्छा लेजेंड में मुझे नंबर बताएं क्या है 26,075 इस साइड वाला नंबर क्या है
2575.
तो आप $600 लूज कर सकते हो लेकिन वो अकाउंट आएगा तो लूज करेंगे ना ये प्रॉब्लम है वो निंजा में कनेक्ट नहीं कर रहा ना तो आपके पास 4:30 तक का टाइम है
बताऊं ट्रेडो वेट में ऑर्डर प्लेस कर सकते हैं
हाँ,
वहां का शॉर्ट कर दो भी लॉन्ग जा रही है
लेकिन अगर वो हाथ पकड़ा ना गया ना तो 600 फौरन जाएगा मैं कह रहा हूँ तेरा take your time take it slow no okay आपका फर्स्ट और लास्ट नेम सेम है आपने लिखा है ना मैंने थोड़ी लिखा
फर्स्ट में लिखा था लास्ट में
और जी चढ़ के ले गए जी मार्केट को आई वाज स्टिल लॉन्ग incredible this is the power of Nasdaq
छोटे को फर्क पड़ता है या कर दूं
नहीं अब हो गया जो भी हो
देखा नहीं फिर लास्ट में
उनको लग रहा है यार वन पहुंच जाएगी बात
सर जाएगी ये जानी थी 60 फ्राइडे जो काम 2 दिनों का था उन्होंने 2 दिनों में किया I have some certificates coming in. Somebody passed at 300,000 today. अच्छी बात है. ये सिर्फ कौन सा नहीं शो हो रहा? No. एपेक्स पे सारा ट्रेडो वेट ही है ना, सेम प्रॉब्लम आ रही है? बुलनक्स तो आना चाहिए यार. हाँ मैं सेट कर रहा हूँ आपको. सर उन्हें द भी सेम प्रॉब्लम है, हॉटस्पॉट दे नाल भी नहीं शो अप कर रहे. कितनी ऊपर लगे जी? 640 पे. माइंड
next 7 days, you have to trade, you need to make between 150 to 450.
आ गया जी, ठीक है. बाकी अभी देखता हूँ, एक सेकंड. बाकी भी आ गए. हो गया जी, मैं लॉग आउट कर. The yellow dotted and the cyan dotted is the value area. There is a dotted line going across. Give me a second. I want to make sure you get it. You get it. So this, yeah, and then this dotted. That's the pink dotted. कितनी स्पीड से गया जी? माय गॉड, ले गए सर, हर चीज ही ले गए ऊपर. डाइवर्जेंस लगा. तो एक सेकंड जी, एक सेकंड में मिड बैंड के लिए टाइम तो नहीं है वैसे, क्योंकि 12:24 है. अब एरिया टू एरिया ही थी, क्योंकि इस वक्त S1 से रेजिस्ट कर रही है. हाँ हाँ निकालना शुरू हो गया. मैं आपका अपीयर करवा दूँ, 2 मिनट दीजिएगा, मैं दोबारा आता हूँ. हाँ हाँ, एवरी कंपनी, कोई ट्रबल नहीं. If you don't have any problem, like
There is no 500, this is 200, 1500, not 500. It's all different accounts, so it's okay.
आज तक 625.
So here it came below the value area.
He will try to go inside the value area.
Inside?
Yeah.
Oh. So when you go inside,
Then he will try to fill up.
this
all the way in there. Yes, but you go green midband up and magenta down.
Once it is above the value area, it's
Yeah.
good to buy.
It's but from green, green mid. Both charts must be green. Yes, sir. मैंने set कर दिया आपका. 25,000 must go to 26,500, and this 1,500 cannot go to zero.
Rafi, you're predicting that we're just on S&P, we're just gonna go to R1 and
No. It can do anything. However, I'm waiting for the ES to go to above R2. R2 would be the ultimate stop. Because remember, the value area is sitting at 6,116. So it will it go try to fill up? But right now it wants to get inside the value area. Look, it's coming from 6,5994 and 6,044.
yes.
It has retraced 50 points back up. That's ridiculous, Another mid-band.
हमको बोलना रुकना है, ठीक है?
Done, sir. No, it's testing S1. कहां पर खुली थी? 21,700 पे. वहां पर दोबारा ले आए. पूरी घूम फिर के. कुछ भी नहीं किया, सिर्फ ऑन ऑफ किया. ਬਾਈ ਦਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਨਾ, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਵੀ ਆਉਣਾ ਸੀ. All right, another day. ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਦੇਖੋ ਯਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਣਾਏ ਨਾ $1,000, ਜਾਂ ਤੇ ਟਾਰਗੇਟ ਲਾ ਜਾਓ 3,000 ਤੇ, ਜਾਂ ਉਹ ਥੱਲੇ ਸਾਡੇ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਨਿੰਜਾ ਕ੍ਰੈਸ਼ ਹੋਇਆ ਨਾ ਤੇ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਫਿਟ ਚੱਲਦਾ ਪਿਆ ਸੀ, ਤੇ ਇਸੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਨੋ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ. ये भी दिन होते हैं 1000 रिवर्स करना है है?
One से S2 से नीचे की तरफ आ रहा है।
हाँ टेस्ट
I got stuck.
ओके
kind of good luck.
मीनिंग के वहां पर क्या हुआ कोई स्टॉप लॉस नहीं था
वो मेरा वो freeze हो गया ना।
नहीं स्टॉप लॉस वही नहीं लगा हुआ था और वो ले गए
Extreme loss ही नहीं चली गई।
नहीं एक्सपेक्टेड लोग गई आज सुबह मॉर्निंग में क्या ब्रीफ आई देखिए मैं अगर सिर्फ देखिए मैं आके बैठा हूँ मैंने आपसे क्या कहा है मैंने कहा मैं आप दोबारा रिपीट कर देता हूँ मैंने कहा अपना हमारा फ्राइडे का लो क्या था नंबर आई 30 की तो आपने कहा 24 है ठीक है हमने कहा 24 के नीचे से देखना है कि क्या ले करना है बाइंग में 24 के नीचे से जाना है लो टू हाई जाना है उन ऊपर से भी अप्रूवल आ गया सीईओ से आ गया कि लो टू गो हाई जाना है कि लेट इट गो टू एक्सपेक्टेड लो वहां से बाय करें इनकी अगली आवाज आई 60010 लें या 01 लें अगर जिधर से भी है वहां से वो बाउंस कर गई ऑल द वे देखें वापस आ गई 6037 तक तो आई नो कैन हैपन बट लेकिन वो ब्रीफ इतनी इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि जो 3 वेडनेसडे को हुआ और फिर ये हुआ फ्राइडे को उसने 60 मिनट पे डाइवर्जेंस क्रिएट की थी सो द होल आइडिया वाज दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंड वी हैड अ नंबर हियर फॉर फ्राइडे 6024 it had to go below 6024 to create a divergence and it was announced at 9:30 9:22 he said go long from expected नीचे से S2 पे भी उसने थोड़ी सी हमें दिया था वैसे थोड़ा सा दिया ज्यादा नहीं दिया true expected low से देखा ये ਹੁੰਦਾ है ਜਦੋਂ ठीक है
ना गो विद की प्रॉफिट लेना है
हाँ एग्जैक्टली माइंडसेट मेरे साथ ये मेरा ख्याल है कि 10 out of 10 everybody who goes in to lose money comes out making more right so every day आप इसी माइंडसेट से आया करें so whatever your brain is telling your fingers should do opposite right so that means that brain is wrong right
हमें दे दो हम कर देंगे हम तो
आप ही कर दो।
नहीं आप खुद
लगा लो ना 3 पे भी
तो उल्टा से लगाने की कोशिश कर रहा था तो वो प्रॉफिट ले गया मैं वही तो आता है
खत्म हो गया सारी रैली अब भी ना खत्म हो तो
जिस तरह ये अगर R1 2 बजे के बाद आती है तो R1 है कोई
R1 बनता है एरिया जी बनेगा R1 और 2 बहुत स्ट्रांग बनेंगे क्योंकि 60 मिनट का मिड बैंड वहां खड़ा है और 240 का कितने बड़े 1200 एक सेकंड देखो ऐसी ग्रीन पा ਲਈ ਹੈ ਰੈੱਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ सेलिंग 950 बायोटेक बिहेवियर उत्ते सेल करते हैं
Hero, why?
और रुक जा
ये कब सुनेंगे गांधी ये 5-6 ने मतलब डोमिनेट अभी तक रखा हुआ है डोमिनेशन शाम को या मतलब ये मान लो इसको रेफर करना चाहिए आपका
मिड बैंड हो गया तो
देखो ये मेरा डैशबोर्ड
दस क्योंकि कमीशन ही इंदा हो जाता ना मार्केट कर दो कमीशन ही 2-2 4-4 लॉटां ਦਾ $20 ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ हो गया ਹੁਣ ट्रेड वेट ਤੇ ਜਾਓ ठीक है जी सिंपल so ਹੁਣ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ 400 so your threshold is full tomorrow it will go back to 1500 and you have made 450 so day 1 today right so tomorrow you only have to make in the next few days 1000 now you have filled 1500 या फिर वो बच जाना सी वो हाँ वो मुश्किल हो जाए क्योंकि एवरी डे इतना तेज नहीं बढ़ता ना
50 अभी 75 रुपए में सीधा मैं मान लगा सी बाय चांस मैंने 50 देख लेने बाद 40 है चल ही मैं क्लोज की थी अब क्लोज हो ही नहीं उसके बाद वो ऑन ही लगना ये आते सो ये यहाँ से बंद नुकसान करा ले
विक्रम भाई एफटीएमओ में लॉन्ग बैठे हुए हैं
नहीं मैंने क्या कहा
मैं बैठा हूँ हाँ सर अभी तो ये 22,000 तक लेके जाऊंगा 400 पॉइंट तो लेना फायदा क्या मैंने शॉर्ट कर दिए ना अपने वो प्रॉफिट लेता गया और रिड्यूस करता जाता हूँ अपना लॉट साइज इस वक्त मैं इन हूँ ऑलमोस्ट 20 से अब एक मिनी से
मैं 10 नोट से अभी गुजरता हूँ जानी तो ऊपर है ही
हाँ हाँ जानी तो है लेकिन अगर टारगेट है पूरा आपका आज का सब कुछ ठीक है
$400 प्लस 199597 है Nasdaq Nasdaq
ठीक है जी, नो प्रॉब्लम। देखिए 690 से पहले पहले निकल जाएगा, क्योंकि जो एरिया है ना वो आपका S1 का ऊपर 690 है, और अगर कोई लॉन्ग में है आपका एरिया से 50 पॉइंट और बस देना है आपने, है? नहीं, S&P नहीं, नैस्डैक में 690 की से पहले निकलना है, क्योंकि 650 तो आ गई ना, जो मॉर्निंग का एरिया था। No, not long term. That's not today's target, man. Right now, we are waiting for 21,690 to bounce from there. Yes, कहाँ से bounce करेगी जी? 30-20 मिनट देखना है।
Okay, बढ़िया है, बढ़िया। तो सर मैंने अकाउंट का कर दिया था, 4 अकाउंट और कर दिए मैंने, टोटल 5 अकाउंट
चारों में भर दिया। एक बफर बन जाएगा। सिर्फ अपनी कॉस्ट ट्रैक करते जाएं। आपने दिए 33 टाइम्स 4, 50 टाइम्स 1, एक 50 का खरीदा था ना, या वो भी सेल पे था?
वो भी सेल पे था,
33 का ना, 33 टाइम्स 5, 165 इन्वेस्ट हो गए। एक इनमें से अगर जाता है ना ऊपर, लेट्स से कि पहला वाला 150 की वो कॉस्ट आएगी, तो आपको कॉस्ट आ रही है अभी तक 315, 5 ये की 1 पीए की। फिर उसको हम लेके जाएंगे 2000 तक, और जब वो 2000 तक चला जाएगा फिर उसमें से 1500 निकालेंगे।
30 डेज के बाद वो होगा
सर वो 60 डेज 30 डेज जब भी हो जाएगा, उसमें कोई लिमिट नहीं है कि
7 दिन बाद, उसके बाद कोई लिमिट
नहीं, वो 10 दिन की लिमिट होती है। जो राउंड 2 है ना, राउंड 2 में आपने कब बनाने हैं पैसे, आपको पैसे वो 2000 बनाने के बाद देंगे, $1500 दे देंगे
10 दिन के बाद
मिनिमम।
उसके बाद और 10 दिन
7 दिन वाला काम तो ये खत्म हो जाना
हाँ, ये
है,
खत्म हो
उसके बाद इन्फिनिट पे चला जाता है। काम नहीं है आपके पास, कोई डेडलाइन नहीं है
डेडलाइन नहीं है
उसमें, मंथली भी नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है।
लेकिन वो जो टारगेट देते वो हमें फिनिश करना है
2000, लेकिन 1 साल में करो, 2 माह में करो, 10 दिनों में करो, 15, 1 दिन में नहीं, 10 दिनों।
10 दिन में हाँ वही मिनिमम 10 दिन में करना।
तो अगर आप $150 लेके जा रहे हो रोज के, ये 200, तो 10 दिन में 2000 हो जाएगा, तो 1500 उसमें से आपको दे देंगे।
तो अच्छा चल रहा है
नहीं, आप आपका मेथड क्या है? ग्रीन टू सेल, रेड टू बाय, आई मीन रेड, ग्रीन टू बाय, रेड टू सेल है ना, और तो कुछ नहीं कर रहे।
मैं और बस कैंडल फॉलो करता हूँ, जैसे कैंडल के नीचे से बाय करता हूँ।
ठीक है, मीन बॉटम ऑफ द बार, टॉप ऑफ द बार, सही है। दोनों S1 क्रॉस कर गए हैं जी। आपकी नैस्डैक भी नहीं, नैस्डैक अभी नहीं, नैस्डैक 690 तक जाना है। अब मैं अगर बाय करूंगा तो S2 के अबव से, 610 के अबव से। अगली कैंडल जो है 13 मिनट बाद आनी है, 1 बजे। विक्रम भाई बिल्कुल वैल्यू एरिया के अंदर जाके उसने टच करके आई है। That theory is powerful यार। 6049, हाँ 850, यस। और लेकिन भरते ही वो बहुत टाइम लगेगा उसको। 6116 है, शायद पूरी रात में भरे। अगर रात का किसी ने एरिया लेना है ना तो 6116 याद रख के, 6116 है रात का, यस। वो रात का एरिया जो है वो आपको एक्सपेक्टेड हाई बनेगा ना, कहाँ पर है? 6116 पे। वो वैल्यू एरिया का टॉप है और एक्सपेक्टेड हाई का भी टॉप है। सेल उससे पहले R2 खड़ी है, काफी 60 मिनट का मिड बैंड खड़ा है वो। 5 के किससे पहले? हाँ 4:30 से पहले या 6 के बाद। आज का 6 के बाद कल का काउंट होगा, ट्यूसडे, यस।
सुबह मार्केट जाते साढ़े मार्केट अच्छी होती है, ठीक है। ऐसा दूसरा कौन सा स्लॉट है?
2 से 5, अभी ये 2 बजे फिर शुरू हो जाएगी। 2 से 5 का दूसरा, फिर सुबह 3 बजे।
सुबह 3 बजे
गोल्ड के एरियाज इतने पावरफुल आते हैं सुबह 3 बजे।
अभी तो मैं S&P का ही करता हूँ।
नहीं ऐसा देखें, आप सही जा रहे हैं ना, तो वही करते जाओ जो आपको समझ आ रही है। एज लॉन्ग एज आप ट्रेड में स्टॉप लॉस लगाओ, यू विल बी फाइन। ये मिड बैंड भी पास हो गया। See, in this, both are green. Price is coming from higher high. You enter a mid band. That's your $100.
You know, Rafi, I'm in a long in the S&P from 6032, and I'm holding out for this R1 test here.
No, but what happens? You have to make sure you trail your stops. Meaning,
I am, but the thing is, I don't want it to be too tight to stop.
no, you have to be 10 ticks behind.
10 ticks. So right now, I have a stop at 37.25.
Yeah, but right now it should be moved up to somewhere 42.
At 42.
Yeah, so at least you put it at a break even now. So that trade will not go against you. We'll just give you a break even.
So I'm in at 42, but you're telling me to put it around.
At 42, you entered at 32.50, right?
Yeah.
So put it at lock 42. You should lock $500 out of there. 32.50 to 42 is almost $500, so 10 points. So you should lock it at 42. Yeah, mini is fine. And then keep coming 10 ticks behind. So at least you can reserve that $500 trade, right? Because otherwise you keep it running, then it'll come back to maybe 29, and then you've gave away everything, right? So the rule is 10 ticks behind.
So, in that trade management, you're at 42.50, but when I was looking at the reason why I hesitated, because that was just above the mid band. So I put it there. I think it was forget about the
And then re-enter at a different entry position. Otherwise, the chances for it to go down back to, then you lose everything. See, when we even doing FTMO, right? I entered at 21,530, right? And you know when it went against me? 21,430, right? I have 30 lots. I have $10,000 buffer. It is the best entry I could look for. And then from there, it went to 650. Right, so at 630 I locked, and then I entered again with smaller lots, right? So now I'm waiting for the price to go to 590 again. Then I will enter again, because every time it goes low, I will buy. Every time. But you have to be able to enter a trade with,
my trading plan. What I've been adjusting it is that I switched from full contracts to minis. So they safety accounts. And I gave myself basically a ATM strategy where I'm willing to automatically stop at 24 ticks.
okay.
And automatic target at 48 ticks above.
See, the thing is, you're going into something called scalping. Scalping is slightly different method of, with funded accounts, you can't do so much scalping. You need, for position trading, we don't like to scalp that little, right? So you can mix and match the type of trade with the type of account, right? See, I'm in FTMO, which lets me hold the position at much lower, right? Meaning that I have a $10,000 buffer and I can go in and no problem, right? So see, there you go. I'm back into my zone of S2 top, and I'm planning to enter soon. 10, 9. बस सर इसने S2 टेस्ट करना है. Nasdaq का S2 टेस्ट कर रही है एज ए सपोर्ट. S2 support test कर दिया, मैं enter हो गया हूँ. So it's coming from the down, so I'm going low to go high, right? So I entered Nasdaq at S2 now. मैंने S2 पे enter कर दिया, bottom of the bar. 610 के ऊपर है मेरी एंट्री. जी सर. अब इसको शूट करके जाना चाहिए मेरे ख्याल से बैक टू 21,700 तक। Nasdaq 21,700 सॉरी सर नैस्डैक तो फास्ट है। अब ये जाएगी विक्रम भाई, अब ऊपर जाएगी। नैस्डैक ने टच कर लिया S2 को, उसको अगर बेस बना लेती है, कैंडल ऊपर है, इट शुड गो बैक टू 21,700। दैट्स द प्लान। ये सर डन हो गया, ये वाला ट्रेड भी 30 लॉट्स के साथ डन हो गया। अगर FTMO बाकी छोड़ देना, सिर्फ FTMO ही करी जाए ना। मैं आपको कह रहा हूँ कि मैंने 30 लॉट के साथ वहां से फेंक लॉन्ग जा रहा हूँ, क्योंकि S2 पे आई है, बाउंस किया है, $300 बन जाता है। तो आप 30 लॉट ना लो, 2 ले लो, 5 लो, जितना आपका अकाउंट साइज है। नहीं अब लेट हो गया, क्योंकि वो हाँ
तो वही आप ही का वाला है, वाला है।
हाँ जी
जब से हम बुलॉक्स में हम लोग कर रहे हैं, प्ले कर रहे हैं, इसमें लाइव थ्रेशोल्ड का इशू है।
बिल्कुल है।
अगर हम उसको अवॉइड करना चाहें तो क्या स्ट्रेटजी?
एग्जिट हो, 8 टिक्स लेके बाहर आए। 200 रोज का टारगेट 150 से 100 का है बस, और बड़ा नहीं जा सकते आप। आपने अगर आपको 9:30 से मैंने बताया, 9:30 वाला मिड बैंड खराब हुआ, जो एग्जैक्टली 9:30 आया ना, वो मिड बैंड नहीं चला। 9:46 तक 2 मिड बैंड चल गए थे, और एक उसने दिया हमें 10 पॉइंट और एक ने दिया 27 पॉइंट। अब 9:58 तक मैं निकाल देता हूं दोबारा। हाँ, तो वो अगर आप शॉर्ट में होते तो आप कितनी स्पीड से वो गई, राइट? तो वो अगर लेट्स से कि पहला मिड बैंड अगर आपने लॉस लिया $187, मैं एक एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ, राइट? दूसरा मिड बैंड, सिर्फ हमें एक अच्छा मिड बैंड चाहिए होता है, वो सारा रिकवर कर जाता है, राइट? 8 टिक्स का रखें, रोज का $100 लेके बुलनाक्स को गुड बाय कर दें, दैट्स इट।
एसएल उसमें वही सेम रहेगा 8.5
है, एसएल उसमें सेम रहेगा, वही वो एसएल चेंज नहीं होता।
तो ये शुड बी ईएस और
5 लगा लें, 5 MES। अगर पीए कर रहे हैं तो पीए का, फिर ईयर में तो फुल लगाएं, 30 दिन में करना है यार। लॉन्ग टर्म होल्ड कर रहे हैं जी। दोबारा S2 टेस्ट हो रही है। Bottom range. All right, see you guys tomorrow. मेरा ख्याल है कल इंस्ट्रक्शन आएगी लॉन्ग की।
इंस्ट्रक्शन तो लॉन्ग दी आई थी।
नहीं, लो से आए, लो से आए। नहीं, लेकिन आज अब डाइवर्जेंस वाला का मसला भी निकल गया है ना, तो अब कल फिर इंस्ट्रक्शन लॉन्ग की आएगी।